Hello traders, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. So today I am going to share with you best Forex trading strategy. But first we open GBP AUD in M1 time frame. Now this strategy is very easy and simple. Now this strategy we need two EMA indicator, first one 50 period and second one 200 period. 200 EMA is only trend confirmation EMA. Now here is indicator buy signal confirmation. And if 200 EMA is below 50 EMA, it means bullish trend. We place buy trade here. Set stop loss previous lower low. Set profit target 1:2. We won this trade. $200 EMA is only trend confirmation EMA. If 200 EMA is above 50 EMA, it means bearish trend. Now here is indicator sell signal confirmation. We place sell trade here. Set stop loss previous lower high. Set profit target 1:2. We won this trade. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.